Hi there, it's Josh Golback here from Advanced Coupons, and today we're going to talk about how to set WooCommerce coupon expiry dates and plus a few promotional ideas that I hope will help you in your store. So setting a WooCommerce coupon expiry unfortunately is not possible in the basic version of the coupons feature that comes in the WooCommerce core. But all is not lost. You can still set a WooCommerce coupon expiry date by using a WooCommerce coupon plugin to add extra features to your standard coupons. Advanced Coupons, the tool that we make, has full scheduling capabilities, and in this video I'm going to show you how to exactly to set a WooCommerce coupon expiry date. Also, some promotional ideas centered around using that expiry to leverage FOMO, so the fear of missing out. So let's just get started here. I want to show you this screen here, which is setting an expiry date. It's very simple with the scheduling feature in Advanced Coupons. So on the screenshot there, you'll see that you can set two start date. You can set a start date and a end date, and also two messages. And the message boxes are there so that if somebody tries to use the coupon outside of that start date and expiry date, it will show the customer a nice message instead of just coupon failed to apply or something like that. So in that expiry message, you could say something creative like, we're sorry, it looks like you tried to use an expired coupon. If you're looking for a deal, head over to our coupon page and see what we're promoting this month. So setting the actual expiry date is quite simple. It's just as simple as clicking in the field and typing a date. The date is in Universal Standard, so year, month, and date. But when you click the field, it'll show you a date picker, and you can use that to set the date much more easily. So let's get on to promotion idea number one. Set a short expiry date for your coupon as a limited offer. Coupons tend to work best when you're applying some sort of specific limitation on their usage. And the first promotion idea is to use that as an ultra short expiry date like tomorrow or just this weekend. Now, the more you condense your deal, the more pressure it will apply to your customers to snap up the deal while they still can. And this is a play on the FOMO trigger, or the fear of missing out, which we've talked about in the past on our blog, if you want to go and check that out. So the second promotional idea is to combine the expiry with specific products. Now, you can use the cart condition feature in Advanced Coupons to apply a little rule that says they can only use that coupon if certain products or in certain quantities are present in their cart. And this can be great for running a deal on a very specific set of products, or even just one product. Combining the FOMO factor we talked about in the promotion idea number one with this, and you'll find that the deal has become time pressured and ultra specific, and that together equals a deadly combination. So the last promotion idea I want to cover is number three, which is combining the expiry with a free or discounted shipping offer. Now, everybody loves a free shipping deal, but here's a new twist. When you're coming up to a hard date, such as Easter or Christmas or Black Friday or some other fixed promotional date, try using a special shipping offer very close to the expiry date to tip people over the edge. Now, in Advanced Coupons, you can set discounts to apply to specific shipping methods with the coupon. You're not just restricted to using the free shipping gateway anymore, which is what comes with the standard WooCommerce coupons. You can apply free shipping to any shipping method. So an example of this might be a limited offer on express shipping. So something that's sent to prospects after the normal standard shipping window is closed. And you might say something like a limited offer, free 2-day express shipping if you order for Christmas before December 21st. And then you give that discount on the express shipping gateway. And this still lets them get their goods before the hard expiry date, but it also lets them get that free shipping deal, which helps your deals convert really well. So it's a promotion. This promotional idea it's a ripper, and it's always going to convert really well because it's a shipping discount. Hope you found these 3 promotional ideas interesting, and you've come up with a few ideas of your own to try out on your store. If you are interested in picking up a copy of advanced coupons to be able to do these types of promotions, then you can just head over to our website, advancedcouponsplugin.com. And don't forget to hit subscribe below, and you'll be in line for any new videos that we make. We often make store owner tip videos just like this one.